Right. We just want to appeal to vendors to abide by the system put in place, as also persons coming in the space to vend. As we approach the Yuletide season, we ask that person do not travel with large sums of cash on their person. We also ask them not to wear expensive jewelry, chains, chaparitas, rings. And we ask them also not to travel with their electronic devices, because this attracts criminals on them. So we want for them to do all that they can do to prevent against any act of criminality. We are here to serve, protect, and to reassure them as we enter and approach the Yuletide season.
Of course, we'll be seeing an increase in police presence.
Right. There is also an increase in police presence in the location. So additional foot patrols have been deployed strategically across the business district. And also to assist in the security measure, there is strategic places where the Jamaica Eye will be mounted, and this is to provide aerial coverage within the space to assist in keeping the vendors and persons who occupy the space safe.